Hey, this is Florian from the WizyEMM team. I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure your application and how to use the feedback channel. So if you have seen our previous video about the Google Play benefits, you might have heard about the feedback channel. So basically, the feedback channel is how your application can send a feedback to the EMM about a configuration it has received. And usually this configuration is sent through a managed configuration. So I will show you directly how to implement that in your application. You'll see it's very easy. So if you're ready, let's go. Here's the WizyEMM console. So I am on the device list and I will use my Zebra devices, my TC26 device here. What you can see on the screen is the application logs tab. So when you click on that tab, you can see the list of all the feedbacks reported by the applications. Here we have the example of our companion app. You might see in this other video I put on the top the managed configuration, how it works. Basically here our companion app has received the managed configuration and has reported some states about this config. The first interesting information is the managed configuration applied successfully. So we have received the config and we have reported that this config is fine and properly applied on a device. The second information is about the location service, which is running on a device. And the third entry is whether location is actually enabled on a device. So there is no error here. And you can see for the location is enabled message, there is a show data link here. And here we have pushed some extra data like which are the available providers on the device. Now, if I head to the documentation, here I will put the link in the description. You can see that there is a summary about how globally it works. You create a managed config, you push it to the application processes this config and reports through the keyed app states the result of this configuration to the EMM. So if I scroll down, it's really easy to implement in your Android application. You have to update your Gradle file, to fetch the library, which handles the feedback channel. And then you have to use a specific class, which is the keyed app states reporter class, where after you can create some messages and you can specify the key, the severity, the message, and the data. So the data is optional. The three mandatory information are the key, the severity, and the message. It's what we can see here. The key is hidden, the severity is displayed here, the message is displayed there in this column, and optionally you have the data information. So let's take a look on our companion app code in Android Studio. So let's focus on this message. Location is enabled. So as you can see in the code here, when we process the configuration, we report this. So it's really easy. We just we have created a dedicated class to report that. We pass the state, we pass the message, and we pass optional data. So location is enabled here. It's what is displayed there. So we just have to call the feedback service, the key app state class with the settings, and we call the report method, and it will work. And directly, this data will be pushed through Google Play. It will be processed by our EMM and displayed in the console. Here we go. So, as you have seen, it's really easy to configure the feedback channel. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And until next time, I wish you a very good day. Bye-bye.